approval, we either register or deny yung transaction. We register it if it's complete, it follows the law, complete on its face. Pero kung hindi siya complete, we have no choice but to deny. Ngayon, hindi naman po yung registrant kung na-deny po yung transaction niya, which I will discuss later. So after sa stage po namin, if either ma-deny or ma-approve man, i-upload po yung documents sa system po. So mapupunta po sa uploading module, i-upload ng i-uploader lahat po ng documents na sinabit niyo po sa amin. Then after uploading, yung printing module po, for example, siyempre, there was a need to cancel the old title kung nagkaroon ng conveyance, and there's a need to print the new title in the name of the new owner. After printing, pipirmahan na lang po yung new title or yung English kung annotation lang, then pwede na po ma-release.